Hello webmasters, welcome to another episode. Today I am reviewing AuthorityLabs. This is a rank tracking tool and essentially tracks your keywords over time, including desktop and mobile rankings. Here are the current prices for AuthorityLabs. There is a 14-day free trial, no credit card required. The plan starts at $49 per month with 250 keywords tracked across 50 domains maximum. If you are an agency or service with clients and you want white label reports and monitors and SERP tracking, then you may want the Pro plan for $99 a month, which includes 100 domains across 1,000 keywords, monitors with white label reporting. Alright, so here is the AuthorityLabs dashboard. Let's enter in a domain or website right here. Select the country to be targeting for this website, and you can even add a city and a business name for local business tracking. And then if you want to track your keyword rankings on desktop or mobile, you can select that here and then enter in a group name for your domains and then which search engine data to display, and that's pretty much it. In this example, I'm going to enter in the bluehost.com as my website tracking for desktop, and now let's click on track domain, and now we can add in keywords for the website. Alright, I got a few examples right here. Let's click on add keywords, and now here is the keyword list along with the Google ranking positions, Yahoo, Bing for this keyword for my website here. MSV is monthly search volume, and then the cost per click over here. And right now these keywords are just being added, so there's no data yet. After a few hours you can start seeing some numbers, but for now let's check out the more detailed report. So this will actually give you a ranking monitor or position over time at Google, Yahoo, and Bing. It'll be similar to what you see here in this example screenshot. And if you click on the overview icon button over here, you can see the entire project for this website, all of the ranking positions, top 3, and how many keywords you have, and positions over the past 12 weeks, types of results showing up for these keywords. So in a nutshell, that is AuthorityLabs. I think it is quite expensive, but AuthorityLabs is one of the most trusted names in rank tracking. They do provide reliable data. Anyhow, there is a 14 days free trial. Check them out and see how it goes. Thanks so much for viewing. Be sure to subscribe for more internet marketing tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks again, and until next time, happy marketing.